What are you doing? Are you eating a banana? Or are you just eating a banana peel? What? Tyler, don't you want to try any of the banana? No? Okay, here, let Mama take it. Okay, here. Get off. What are you doing? You're crazy. Is that fun?
That's incredible! You guys look just like squirrels. Squirrels use their claws to hold on to the tree trunk. Can you do that?
Tyler, what are you doing?
It's easier than easy.
Look, can Mommy have that? Here, let Mommy have it.